Hello, my name is Maya Miller and I'm from UTD, and today I'd love to share with you my favorite recipe. It's a recipe for espresso cupcakes. I really like cupcakes, who doesn't? And it also has chocolate, which is perfect, and it has coffee. Coffee is amazing. For the ingredients, you'll need 2 sticks of salted butter, 4 heaping tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of boiling water, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 large eggs, half a cup of buttermilk, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And for the frosting, you'll need 3 sticks of salted butter softened, 3 cups of powdered sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of coffee extract, 3 tablespoons of instant espresso powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk, sprinkles for topping, and coffee beans just for topping. The reason why I also love this recipe is because it's from the Pioneer Woman. She's on the Cooking Network. I love her. She's my favorite. And so I had to show y'all a recipe from my favorite cook as well. And for the directions to make the cupcakes, we're going to preheat the oven to 350. Line 2 12-cup muffin pans with paper linen. Melt the butter in the middle of the saucepan over medium heat and stir in the cocoa powder. Pour in the boiling water and stir to combine. Let boil for 15 seconds, then remove from heat and set aside. Now we're moving on to step 2. In the medium bowl, stir together the flour, sugar, and salt. Set aside. In a small bowl, whisk together the eggs, buttermilk, vanilla, and baking soda. Pour the cocoa mixture over the flour and stir until halfway combined. Then pour in the egg mixture and stir until the batter comes together. I can already smell them, and I'm not even cooking now. I'm just reading the recipe. Next, we're gonna fill the muffin cups 2/3 way full and bake until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. About 20 minutes later, remove from the oven and let cool in the pans for about 5 minutes. Then remove to a rack and let cool completely before decorating. Decorating is always my favorite part. I swear I could let somebody else do the cooking, to be honest, and I just decorate them. I really enjoy the decorating part. I also have this problem where I make too many and it's just me to eat, so I don't know if you have that problem as well. Okay, now we're gonna make the frosting. Beat the butter in the bowl with a mixer on medium speed until creamy. Reduce the speed to low and add powdered sugar in 2 batches until combined. Add the vanilla and coffee extracts. Increase the speed to high and beat until creamy for 30 seconds. I can already see it in the mixer. I love these. I'm gonna have to make some after this. Next, dissolve the espresso powder in 3 tablespoons of milk in a small bowl and add it to the frosting. Beat until fluffy for 2 to 3 minutes. Beat the last tablespoon of milk if it seems too stiff. Transfer to a piping bag and fill to the tip. Pipe the frosting onto the cupcakes. That means we're almost done. Top with sprinkles and chocolate coffee beans. I love this. I love this recipe. It's super good. I hope you really try it. I'm so glad I had the opportunity to talk to you today. I wish we could meet in person, hopefully after COVID. But thank you for listening to me talk about and rant about my favorite recipe. It really means a lot to me, and I'm from UTD. I'm a Cherry Scholar. My name is Maya Miller. Just to give a little refresher on who I am. And again, thank you. I'm gonna go make some cupcakes, probably go get the ingredients. Thank you.